What's up, guys? This is Amazon, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Actually, yeah, Day 5. Okay, so basically right now, guys, ignore my mirror. I clean this mirror like every time, and I'm going to just clean it today. I'm tired of cleaning this mirror every fucking time. But okay, welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not new, thanks for stopping by again and for joining me in the Vlogmas journey. If you've been watching my Vlogmas since day one, I love you so much. You're the reason I keep going. And I took up Vlogmas as a challenge for myself because I wanted to see how consistent I can be with this thing. Okay, and so far so good. I'm getting it, and I'm not ready to stop. So please don't stop. Come on the journey with me. It's going to mean a whole lot to me and my YouTube journey. And while you watch my video, please like. Okay, if you have anything to tell me in the comment section. I'm going to respond to all of them. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining me. However, I'm going to just do a b-roll of a Vlogmas that I did not upload. Okay, that was a Saturday Vlogmas. I'm going to do a b-roll for you guys to see, and then I'm going to take you back into the things that I bought. So after Saturday, I stopped by at under the bridge while we're going home. This girl, okay, that I was with, she said, you know what, let's check this lady, she sells stuff. And then I went there and I'm like, I'm seeing gems, I'm seeing diamonds on the floor, yo. So I'm like, why is that clerk calling my name? So I paid for that shit and I bought them and I watched them yesterday, and that's because I wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna share with you guys those outfits. They are stunning as hell. Okay, so but first, b-roll of what my weekend looks like. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so you've probably seen what my weekend looks like the b-roll of what my weekend looks like. Now let's jump into the clothes that I picked in the middle of the night under a bridge on Saturday. Have you done midnight shopping before? Well, I had to take the risks, and I must say it was really worth every penny and time spent staying under that bridge with that lady. Yeah, I mean it. All right, so here, this is a thrifted gown from Misguided. Fam, I'm buying designers in thrifts are shikini money. Guys, this gown fits so well. Whew. I wish I'd taken my shower so I can do like a haul for you. I'll do that in another Vlogmas if you want to see. So keep subscribing. It's like this. Okay, this is the front and this is the back. The fabric is legit. Like the fabric is, woo, look at that cute cocktail gown. Look at the back. Sexy, yo, sexy. So you guys can see. Can you see that? And the fabric. So guys, these are the 4 gowns that I got. Guys, quick update, something just happened. I went to buy eggs. There are no eggs. I'm out of my eggs. There are no eggs. Sachet tomatoes is now 130 naira. Good. I'm like, okay, let me switch to sardines. Fam, sardines have moved from 200 to 400. I don't understand. As if that was not enough. Let me walk to another store which is a bit further than from the house, and boom, my period comes and I'm not wearing panties. Interesting. Let me shower, because what is this? What up, people? Hoodies, new t-shirts, who that? So I can't believe I've had this shirt for 2 years, and this is the second time I'm wearing yours. But y'all, I'm glowing. If you can't see it, that's your problem. That's on you, babe. Okay, so I'm going to head out to go searching for eggs right now, and and we have to be careful. So we're going all the way down. This looks so yummy. Farm. Hi guys, so I've packed the meal that I want to go and give my sister. So here it is. Yeah. All right. Hey guys, so I'm off to the salon now. Well, she has agreed to do my hair, so I'm going to the salon. I've packed the hair products I'll be needing. My hand I needed, of course, as always. And then water. Her food is inside. My hand fan, because in case their lights goes off, I don't want to be sweating. It's already hot. Wow, people have been staring at me weirdly, and I'm like, I don't understand. You guys have not seen somebody with a head wrap and a biker shorts on a hot Monday afternoon for what? But I don't care, guys. Is that music coming from our salon? This girl is lounging now. Serious flex. Yay, we're here. Hi, good afternoon. I'm at Spear Makeover Salon to do my hair. And she's there. Let me show you guys. That's the CEO woman. Hello, man. Can you say hello to my vlog?
Hi guys.
This woman is very proud. But
They should know I'm nice like that.
So guys, it's time to walk her hair. That dressing room, I'll buy it. It's big enough. With a bang, with the glow, it's the skin for me, okay? It's the BRoll.
Like guys,
it's the brown for me.
I'm not a wicked person. Like I'm not a wicked person. Like, is this how she came in here? No, you all can see the difference. A wicked person, okay? Look at her now.
Hey, voila. Where am I going to? I'm not going anywhere. So what is this? What?
Go somewhere.
What is going on in the BRoll area, yo? But guys, I'm so excited. Like, hair check, brows check. Yeah, thank you. So right now I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna say y'all subscribe, okay? Wait for the next vlog. Back to back. Don't forget that it's your girl. AMA to the ZO freaking N. And ooh, I love my brows, yo. I like my hair. I like everything that happened today. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Mwah.